not a math, language, or logic video, but if, like me, you're into opening boxes like this one, this video is for you. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Like I said sa intro, hindi ito lesson video. So if you're only interested sa mga ganong bagay and not into yung personal stuff and yung mga hilig ko at hindi ka nerdy and geeky like me, just click on the I button right here. I'll just point you towards another video that you can study. Okay? So first of all, I want to thank Team Lyqa Japan for this panda stuffed animal that I have right here. Isa to sa mga pinaship nila sa akin and thank you so much for this. It's so soft. Ang cute niya pa, diba? At saka higit sa lahat, hypoallergenic. So, pwede ko siya talagang gamitin. Kasi hindi ako pwede doon sa synthetic fibers ng mga regular na mga stuffed animals. So, I really appreciate this panda. Anyway, more about yung box. So, ito ay isang mystery Funko Pop box from Kramer Toy Warden. And isa sila sa mga collectibles and toy shops here in the Philippines. And, yun, based sila sa Green Hills. I actually bought a bunch of my other Funko Pops from their place. And nangolekta rin ako ng points. And using those points, syempre naka-discount tayo dito sa box na to. Itong box na to ay special na mystery box nila. Promo lang siya. Ito yung kanilang Funko Starter Pack. So, Mystery Collector Starter 4-pack daw siya. Including yung si Jollibee. So, ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Although, hindi ako sure kung paano nagkasya yung 4 na Funko dito sa packaging na to. Pero tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. So, definitely, ang sure lang is that meron siyang isang Jollibee na Funko Pop, which is yun naman talaga yung kung ano yung gusto ko talagang magkaroon. And 3 more Pops that may be Chase, Exclusives, or Regulars. So, hindi natin alam. Hopefully, may something more than just a regular in this box. So, let's open it now. Pero syempre, pag magbukas tayo ng box, kailangan natin ng pambukas. Sana hindi ako masaktan. Ay, iabot na lang pala, iabot. Okay? Thank you. Mas safe nga naman yun. Kasi pag hinagis, baka maging katapos na ng buhay. Okay. The thing with Funko Pop collectibles is that yung condition ng box is very important. Kaya, like dito sa box na to, instead of pulling it out one by one, I'd rather na sirain lang natin yung box para makuha natin siya ng buo. Hopefully, nang wala masyadong damage or kung meron mang damage, minimal lang. Who needs a man? When you can rip boxes open. Yan! Alright, so I kind of know kung paano siya naging 4. So, patayo pala siya. And ayan, nakalagay, starter pack siya ng Jollibee. So, tingnan natin. Ang sabi lang naman is that definitely kasama si Jollibee. Pero I'm hoping talaga kahit isang Chase sana or stickered. Hopefully. So, tingnan natin kung gaano ka tayo. Tapos meron siyang number. So, ito yung set number 7. Kasi random daw yan, mystery draw. Pero, alam mo naman, hindi natin alam. Minsan. Ako lang ba yung nare-relax dun sa tunog ng mga papel? Alright. Hindi ko muna titingnan. Nakita ko na isa. Pero nakita ko na si Jollibee. So, unahin na natin nabunutin si Jollibee. Yay! Yan. Ito yung regular tayo natin na Jollibee. Tapos if you see yung hands niya, yung nakaganon. Yung Jollibee na ganito na Funko Pop na regular, they go for 650 pesos by itself. Okay? So right now, nasa 650 na tayo automatic because of yung Jollibee na Funko Pop. Now, let's see the other one. Whoop! Okay, this one right here is Garona from Warcraft. So, if you know yung Warcraft, the game, character dishes the game, There was a movie last year ba, or 2 years ago, pero hindi masyadong maganda yung reviews doon sa movie na yon. I remember the movie distinctly kasi yung bida doon was Ragnar Lothbrok sa Vikings, which was my favorite series. So, not something na I particularly like kasi I didn't play Warcraft, pero look at the artwork. Yan. If you see yung loob nung kanyang armor, hand-painted siya, tsaka intricate naman siya. So, yun yung pinaka-draw for this figure. Tapos, meron siyang accessory, which is yung sword. So, Lavern din. Yan. So, yan si Garona. Palitan natin si Jollibee! Yan. Alrighty. Next, we have one more. If you watch my sister's vlogs, malalaman niyo bakit tuwang-tuwa ako dito. At meron ding isang tao off-camera na tawa ng tama, although pinipigilan niya na magkaroon ng tunog. Ililink ko na lang yung video nung vlog ng kapatid ko sa baba. Basically, earlier this year, nitong March pala yun, birthday pala namin yun, sakto nga pala yun. Birthday namin, nanalo siya ng raffle sa New Balance. Tapos, kasama yung prize dun sa Captain Marvel na 4D. Now, si Goose, na isang Flurkin, ay character sa Marvel at sobrang big deal niya sa Captain Marvel. But the thing is, honestly, hindi ko alam kung ano yung context kasi natulugan ko yung movie. Now, not an excuse kasi very passionate ako sa movies and excited ako about Captain Marvel. Pero the reason ko bakit natulugan ko was because nagturo ako for 2 days sa DSWD NCR. So, pagod na pagod ako sa 2 araw na pagtuturo. So, nung nandun ako sa 4D, gumaalog yung upuan. Imbis na magising ako, ginawa ko siyang duya, nakatulog ako dun sa movie na yun. So, kung gusto nyo panoorin yung vlog ng kapatid ko, ililink ko na lang sa baba para makita ninyo yung nangyari experience. Pero, I do know Goose and I do have Captain Marvel. I started collecting Captain Marvel Funko Pops kasi if you don't know, may Marvel din dito. Ang last name namin, Maravilla, which basically means Marvelous. So, wala nang I think mas babagay pa sa amin, maliban kay Batgirl na favorite ko noon. Pero, sa Marvel, call me Captain Marvel. Alright, so lagay natin dyan. Lagay natin si Goose dito. Alright, so on to the last pop. Ooh! In fairness, hindi to cheese eh, pero pwede na rin. Maganda naman yung paint job. Captain Salazar from Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Men Tell No Tales. Pero, yan, may price pa siya, $5.95 ah. In fairness, may price na nakalagay dito. Ito wala yata. Pero the thing with this one is, ano lang siya, 1 in a set of 3. Tapos, yung Dead Men Tell No Tales is one of the first movies. I think this was the 3rd or 2nd movie dun sa series. So, one of the originals siya. So, yan. Tignan natin. Okay? So, ito yung last na pop. Wala na. Alright. So, itong titignan natin ngayon using the Funko app kung ano ang going price for these. Tingnan natin kung susulit nga siya sa $2,495. So, if you're going to get these pops individually, okay, titingnan natin kung sulit ba siya. So, again, ang discounted price is $2,495 for all 4. Titingnan natin sa website kung ano yung cost ng bawat isa. So, ito si Captain Salazar nakalagay $595. So, meron na tayong $595. Tapos si Goose, tingnan natin. Si Goose, actually pala ay hindi ko nakita kanina. Limited siya at saka chase. So, one could think or assume na ito yung pinaka-valuable out of all of them. Yung sticker kasi, in case you don't know, yun yung pinaka-special about the pops. Although this Goose right here is the one na walang Tesseract. Sold out na siya sa kanilang website. Tingnan natin dun sa Funko app kung magkano na siya ngayon. So, using the Funko app, which is the official app ng trading at saka costing ng Funko Pops, this chase na Goose na hindi buo yung pagkakaluwa ng kanyang Tesseract, itong particular na ito, ang trending value niya right now is $32. So, kung $32 ang selling price niya sa States, that would be around 1,600 pesos. So, not bad. So, kung tutuusin, di ba, $595 plus 1,600, medyo pasok na tayo agad. Yung Garona, titingnan natin yung price. Sa website ng Kramer, this costs $595. Okay, so okay lang yun. 595. So right now, meron tayong dalawang 595, which is 1,190 pesos plus yung sabihin na natin 1,600 na Goose Flurken na hindi nakalabas yung Tesseract. So, nasa around 2,700 na tayo. Tapos si Jollibee right now, sa website nila ng Kramer is 695. Pero sa Funko app, ang cost niya ngayon is $2,300. $46 na siya as of now. Okay? So, kung titinan mo yung price ng Funkos internationally or sa market sa States, mas mataas yung value niya ngayon. Alright, so there you have it. We have yung 4 pops natin na bago. Si Captain Salazar, which I think if any of you are interested, let me know. Kasi hindi ko alam. Wala akong interest masyado i-collect yung series na ito. We have Garona from Warcraft, which again, I'm not interested. Pero if you want her, let me know. These two are, I love. Yan, si Goose na Flurken na Chase Limited Edition. Hindi nakalabas yung Tesseract, which is actually the more parang expensive of the bunch, and of course si Jollibee. So right now, si Jollibee is available din, well, until supplies last sa Kramer Toy Warden. So if you want to get yung box nila, this is not an ad pala, by the way, hindi siya paid by Kramer, pero if you want Buchanan Kramer, pero hindi siya paid, pero if you want to collect this, kasi it's very special, syempre kasi Pilipino tayo, di ba, Jollibee. You can buy it by itself, or you can buy it ng box na ganito. And if in case you get one of these, yung mga may stickers na Chase, super worth the money. So, ito, set na to, I'll just flash yung total na, kumaga, value niya as of today, here. And as you can see, worth it naman siya. Lalo na kung ikikip mo pa siya for longer. And if in case you also didn't know, meron kasing Jollibee na nakabarong, na na-release just recently. And we actually took the time to find one of those. And I also have one of those, which will magically appear. Ba't niya binabagsak? Right here. Yan. Tapos si Jollibee na nakabarong. Yes. Yan. Medyo nadagdagan ng ating collection ng pops. Ayan. So, yan. That's it for the video. If you're interested sa mga ganong klaseng content, yung medyo mas personal, let me know. I just wanted to share this with you guys in a way. Kasi honestly, yung mga pinambibili ko naman ito, galing din naman sa inyo. So, lahat ng mga nagpapadala ng mga, parang coach, gift ko sa'yo, or coach, I want you to have this. I use that money to buy this. Ito yung aking mga, ano ba to? Bisyo. Masabi na akong bisyo. Pero yung hilig ko, which is toys or collectibles. So, thank you so much for that. And again, don't feel compelled to do that naman. You don't need to do that. Pero for those who do, I appreciate that a lot. So, yeah. Thanks so much. And if you want this and my other content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the bell icon para wala kayong ma-miss. And I guess that's it. I'll see you next time for another regular na lesson. And as we always say sa team, never stop learning. Adja kayo niyan. I'll see you next video. And bye for now. This is not a math, language, or logic video, but if you're into opening boxes like this,